Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Good. Be safe. Okay, students. Today we are going to learn about a famous personality. Have you all seen this photo before? Yes. Where is Sama? Yes, in our school. In all the classes we are having this photo, no? Who is he? He is Dr. Radhakrishnan. Who is he? Dr. Radhakrishnan. Okay, children. Why ma'am showing this photo today for you? Yes, today we are going to learn about Dr. Radhakrishnan. He is a famous personality. Tomorrow we are going to celebrate Teachers' Day, isn't it? Tomorrow September 5 is Teachers' Day. No, you all know that? Yes, tomorrow we are celebrating Teachers' Day, no? The Mr. Dr. Radhakrishnan's birthday only we are celebrating as Teachers' Day. Who is Radhakrishnan? Why we are celebrating his birthday as a Teachers' Day? Shall we see some small story of the Radhakrishnan? Okay, come on, let's see. Dr. Radhakrishnan was born on 5th September 1888 at Tirthani. Okay, where he born? He born at Tirthani. He was a famous teacher. He was one of the most respected scholar. He's a famous teacher and respected scholar. He was a philosopher. And also he was a second president of India. Second president of India. He was awarded a Bharat Ratna in 1954. He was awarded a Bharat Ratna award in 1954. He had a deep love for the profession of teaching. Whatever he was a president, prime minister, whatever is it, but he liked the profession of teaching only. After, when he was the president, some college students go and ask that they want to celebrate your birthday in the grand manner, sir. September 5 is your birthday, no? We all like to celebrate your birthday in a grand manner. But Dr. Radhakrishnan told, sorry, I am not interested to celebrate my birthday. Instead of celebrating my birthday, you can celebrate a Teacher's Day on that same day. We can celebrate a Teacher's Day on my birthday. Because the teachers are the backbone of our country. Teachers are what? Who? Backbone of our country. So we can celebrate Teachers' Day on my birthday. So from 1962, we started to celebrate the Teachers' Day. From when we started to celebrate the Teachers' Day? 1962. Okay, the Radhakrishnan was so many faces he having. He was a president, freedom fighter, author, philosopher, scholar, teacher. Okay, whatever job he did, he liked only teaching job. He liked the teacher. He's a passion of teaching. And shall we see some quotes of Radhakrishnan? Come, let's see. The books are the mean by which we build bridge between cultures. True teachers are those who help us think for ourselves. Teachers should be the best minds in the country. A life of joy and happiness is possible only the base of knowledge and science. Okay, children, so tomorrow we are going to celebrate our Teachers' Day, isn't it? Okay, for me a small request to you all. You all should show your respect, obedience, love to your teachers. Okay, wherever you go high in your life, don't forget your teachers. Okay, children, your good morning wishes are the precious to the teachers. So you have to love your teacher, show your affection to your teacher, show your kind to your teacher. Okay, children? Yeah, I know you all will do that. Now today we are in celebration mode, no? the Teachers' Day celebration mood we have started. So what we are going to do in this class means we are going to have some fun games. What games? Okay, ma'am will show some pictures. You have to identify the picture and guess the thing. What thing? Ma'am will ask to guess some fruit name or vegetable name. You have to guess it. Okay, children. Shall we start to play? Okay, after the video, what you have to do means, ma'am will send a fourth lesson question answer. That two question answer we didn't write, no, the detailed question answer. That you have to copy in your classwork. Okay, children. And today assignment, what assignment we can do today? Yes, today we can write a thank you letter for your teacher. You all want to write a thank you letter. Why thank you letter, ma? Because in online class, the teachers are struggling lot for you know. So you have to write a thank you letter for your teachers. Okay, children, prepare one greeting card and write few lines about your teachers. Okay, children, shall we start to play the game? Come, let's play.